do you go to college?
Do you go to college? Yes, I do. What college do you go to? I go to Pasadena City College. Do you like it? Oh, yes. I really like it. Why do you like it? Because it has great teachers. What else? I like all my classmates, too. Anything else? Yes, it's not expensive.
A lost pen.
I lost my new pen. Where did you lose it? I don't know. When did you lose it? I think I lost it today. I used it yesterday. Did you check all your pockets? I checked all my pockets. Did you look in your desk? Yes, it isn't there either. It's probably around somewhere. Oh, well, it only cost me $1. Only $1? Don't even look for it.
Gravity.
Gravity is very important. What is gravity? It's the force that pulls everything down. I don't understand. If you pour water into a glass, the water goes down into the glass. Of course it does. Without gravity, the water would go up. You're joking. Without gravity, you would go up. What do you mean? You would float into the sky like a balloon. That would be fun.
New glasses.
I can't read my book. Turn on the light. The light is on. Open the book. The book is open. See an eye doctor. That's what I need to do. He'll give you a prescription for glasses. I'll make an appointment tomorrow. I'll get the yellow pages for an eye doctor. Read the phone number to me. I'll read it very loud in case your hearing is getting bad, too.
School items.
What do you need for school? I need pencils. Anything else? I need a notebook. Do you need a pen? No, I already have a pen. Do you need a calculator? No, the teacher doesn't permit calculators. How about a dictionary? No, we have a big dictionary in the classroom. Well, I guess that's it. Yes, that's all I need for now.
A good magazine.
I like this magazine. So do I. I read it once and I subscribed. It gives you all the news. All the news in only 50 pages. I like the political cartoons. I like the beautiful photos of the houses for sale. I always read the film reviews. I never miss the food and drink section. I gave a subscription to my parents. Me too. They canceled their other news magazines, so did mine.
Shake your pen.
My pen is out of ink. Shake it a couple of times. I shook it. There is no more ink. You can borrow mine. Thank you. I'll buy a new one tomorrow. What were you doing? I was writing a letter. Who were you writing to? It's to my mom. Tell her I said hello. Okay, I'll return your pen when I'm done. Take your time.
Do your homework.
Have you done your homework? Not yet. Then why are you watching TV? This is my favorite show. Go do your homework. But, Mom, you can watch TV after you do your homework. The show will be over. There will be another show next week. Please. You know the rules. I hate the rules. I can't wait till I grow up.
The soldier.
I can't wait until I graduate. Me too. No more homework. I hate homework. Are you going to college? I can't afford it. Me neither. So, what are you going to do? I'm joining the army. You're kidding. You might get killed. I don't think so. After I finish, I'll have enough money to go to college. That's not a bad idea.
The English major.
What is your major? English. What are you going to do with an English major? I'm going to be a teacher. A high school or middle school? High school. I teach high school English. I didn't know that. I started teaching 5 years ago. How do you like it? Do you see all these gray hair? It was totally black 5 years ago. Maybe I'll teach middle school.
No parking.
Parking at school is impossible, I'll say. I drove around for half an hour. Did you find a spot? I found a spot, but someone cut in and took it from me. Did you yell at them? Yes, I did. And he yelled back at me. Oh, rude. But I got lucky a few minutes later. You have to be lucky to find a parking space.
Keep your eyes open.
This is a huge library. Yes, it has lots of rooms and lots of space. And lots of books. And lots of thieves. What do you mean? I mean, keep your belongings close to you. The only thing in my backpack is used books. But thieves don't know that. They might think that I've got an iPod or a laptop in there. Now you're thinking you'd think a library would be safe from thieves.
The end. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments.